going on, guys? Welcome to this week's episode. This week, unfortunately, we are still undergoing body work with the Patrol. So this week we'll be, a mate's coming over and I'll be installing some JTX lights to his 80 series. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode, and I'll keep you guys updated on the Patrol as it's getting very close to getting painted, which should hopefully be the next episode, with like prepping it and sanding it down and bogging it and painting it. So fingers crossed that all goes ahead, and I'll see you guys soon. Just a quick little update. So all the holes are all filled up except for that one. Those two there, they're just going to be where the plaques or the VIN number and stuff are going to go. All the other ones are still being used, but all those holes are all deleted. I'll put up a photo of what it looked like before. It was all rusted. I still got to etch that and treat it. I've just wire wheeled it and whatnot, but it's getting there. Roof line's all welded in. All new pieces welded in on there. I've just bogged it up. I might need a little bit more filler at the top there, but I'll see how we go. I'm just going to etch it and see what it looks like before it goes into paint. But pretty much it's looking pretty sick. Just deleted all the useless holes that previous people have drilled, and just like the stuff that doesn't need holes. Like I've just deleted everything that I don't need to have holes there. So it's going to look pretty sweet. Especially like up there, it's just going to look smooth as, and nothing there. It's going to look sick. So all the rust has been treated. I've stone guard the hole underneath, and we've cut out the shock towers. So that's all ready to go, and it looks pretty sweet. So hopefully one more week or so, and then we will be into paint, which will be really cool. It's just all the roof's been sanded. Don't worry about the inside. The inside's still going to be cleaned up yet, and all rubbed down nearly. I'll probably have to go over it with another fine sandpaper and go from there, but it's looking pretty good. Anyway, back to the episode. Hope you guys enjoy some 80 footage, and you'll be able to see my mate's clean 80, which is really nice. And we'll be installing JTX lights, and yeah, see you. You can see the yellows. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
JTX Lightings are an Australian company based in Melbourne. They can provide LED and HID solutions to a large variety of cars, 4 drives, trucks and bikes.
Sick.
Look pretty well made.
Sick.
On the 80 series, the LED decoder plugs directly between the old harness and the new lights for the low beam side. For the high beams, a harness is supplied with the JTX kit, making it a simple install on the 80.
Oh, you got a sticker too.
Oh yeah.
So you plug that on the car. Oh, big sticker.
Oh, nice. That's going in the back with the other stickers.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, shit.
Oh, there we go. Double the pack.
A simple harness can be made to piggyback between the 2 amber halos, then can be further spliced into the indicator's wiring loom. For the daytime running halo, can be done the exact same, but spliced into the Parker light loom or to a command switch if so desired.
Watch me cook it.
Ready?
I'm trying to get one good, but probably not. Pretty clean. Oh,
Yeah.
like Anthony's come up.
Nice. Miss. Nice. Should we recycle it or? Now do your indicators. Yeah, I have it. Put the lights off. No, I have it. That's good. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh. Oh, fucking hell, that's bright. That's big. Chuck your hazzies on. Even they are bright. That's sick.
If you guys enjoyed some 80 content and want to see some more in the future, chuck a like and a comment below. Patrol is almost on the road and nearly on its new coil chassis. If you guys want to follow along the build, hit that subscribe button below. Thanks guys.